फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 एसएस का चैप्टर नंबर 17 दी जुडिशियरी का वर्कबुक पार्ट टू में क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फॉर व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स इज जस्टिस गिवन इन आवर कंट्री। आंसर है इन आवर कंट्री जस्टिस इज गिवन 2 टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्लेंट, सिविल मैटर्स एंड क्रिमिनल मैटर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट आर कॉल्ड सिविल मैटर्स? The complaint for the right to a house, land or other property are called civil matters. Which matter are included in a criminal matters? The matters are like theft, loot, murder, complainting are included in a criminal matters. Question number 4, which court stand at the top of all the court of our country? Answer is the Supreme Court stand at the top of all the court of our country. Question number 5, which court are there in every district? Answer है there are both civil courts and criminal courts in every district. Question number 6, who appoint the district judge of the state? Answer है the governor appoint the district judge of the state by consulting with the chief justice of the high court of that state. Question number 7, who is known as the district judge? When a judge deals with civil cases, he is also known as the district judge. Question number 8, who is known as session judge? Answer है when a judge deals with a criminal case in a district court, he is called a session judge. Question number 9, the court are the link connecting which court? Answer है the high court or the link connecting subordinate court are the Supreme Court. Question number 10, into how many parts is the jurisdiction of the High Court divided? Which are they? The jurisdiction of the High Court is divided into 3 parts. First है original jurisdiction, सेकेंड है डिस्प्यूटेड ज्यूरिडिकेशन एंड थर्ड है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ज्यूरिडिकेशन. Question number 11, when the Supreme Court of India come into existence? Answer है the Supreme Court of India came into existence on 28th January 1950. Question number 12, who appoint the judge of the Supreme Court? Answer है the President appoint the Chief Justice and the other judges of the Supreme Court. Question number 13, on what basis is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court appointed? Answer है the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court is generally appointed on the basis of seniority. Question number 14, on what basis are the other judges of the Supreme Court generally appointed? Answer है the other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed on the basis of the duration of their service. Question number 15, against the judgment of which court cannot be appealed in the Supreme Court? Answer है against the judgment of the military court under the martial law cannot be appealed in the Supreme Court. Question number 16, what does the symbol of a Lady of Justice indicate? The symbol of the Lady of Justice indicates that justice will be done without any fear or a feeling of like or dislike, and if a person is proved a culprit, she will be punished. Question number 70, which court are known as the court of record? Answer है the high court are known as the court of record for all states, and the Supreme Court is also known as the court of record for the whole nation. Question number 18, judiciary is necessary. Why? Judiciary is necessary to ensure that no guilty person escapes punishment and is tempted to commit more crimes by violating the law, thinking that there is no fear of law and she is free from punishment. Question number 19, what is the main objective of the Lok Adalat? The main objective of the Lok Adalat is to bring speedy and amicable settlement between the two parties who have registered their complaints in court. Question number 20. Who is known as Suo Moto? Sometimes the court itself files a petition related to the matter of public interest. This is known as suo motu. Question number 21. Which scheme currently operationally in our primary schools in also based on a verdict of the country? Answer है the scheme midday meal currently operational in our primary school is also based on a verdict of the court. Question number 6. Answer the following question in brief. Question number 1. What are the main function of judiciary? Write 5 function. Answer है the function of the judiciary are as follow. First number, the judiciary act as the protector guardian of the constitution. Second number, the judiciary determines the limit of the authority of the central and state government. Third number, it protect the fundamental right of citizen. 4 number, in the constitution of judiciary gives justice fearlessly, impartially, naturally and honestly without anyone pressure or recommendation, free from the influence of the government or the administrative system. 5 number, it punishes those who violate its judgment and those who show hatred or disgust for the judiciary. 6 number, the Indian judiciary administers justice in case of both civil matters and criminal matters. Question number 2. Explain the proceeding of impeachment. Answer है the judge of the Supreme Court can be removed from his position office by impeachment proceeding on the basis of proven misbehavior, incapacity and the violation of constitutional limits. A judge of the Supreme Court can be removed from office only on the basis of resolution passed by 2/3 part majority of the present and voting members in both the houses of parliament. This is called processing of impeachment. During the impeachment proceeding, the concerned judge is given an opportunity to appear in the parliament and make a statement in his defense. Question number 3. State the benefit of the Lok Adalat. Write 4 points. Answer है the benefit of Lok Adalat are as follow. Question number 2. Question number 1.1 आता है. Through Lok Adalat many cases have resulted in peaceful, amicable and permanent settlement on the spot between both the parties. Second point, citizen and the court save both their time and management. Third number, cases that have been delayed for a year and dispatched of inexpensively and quickly. 4 point, citizens are saved from legal complexities. 5 number, the poor and exploited people of society get justice easily, quickly and inexpensively. Question number 7. Give reason for the following statement. Question number 1. The High Court act as a link. Answer है the Indian Union government has a consistent, uniform and independent judiciary for the whole country. At the central level, the Supreme Court of the country is at the top. The High Court are in the middle and the District Court and the subordinate court are at the base. The High Court hear appeal of the District Court and give that judgment, while the Supreme Court hear appeals of the High Court and gives its judgment. Thus, the High Court acts as a link between the all subordinate court and the Supreme Court in Indian judiciary. Question number 2. The Supreme Court is considered as a court of record. First point आता है, judgment and decision of the Supreme Court are considered as a permanent document. Second point, the judgment and decision are obligatory to all the citizens and all these other court of our country. Other court give their own judgment based on them. Third point आता है, the Supreme Court may punish the person who violates the judgment and decision of the Supreme Court for contempt of the Supreme Court. Fourth point आता है, the Supreme Court record its judgment given for each cases and publishes them in the Gazette. Therefore, the Supreme Court is considered as a court of record. Now question number 8, answer the following question in detail. Question number 1, state the power and function of the High Court. Answer है the jurisdiction, power and function of the High Court are divided into 3 sessions. First, original, second, disputed, and third, administrative jurisdiction. The other power and function of the High Court. First number, the High Court hold hearing for civil, criminal, and revenue related cases and administers justice. Second point आता है, according to the article 226 the Indian Constitution, the High Court has the power to issue order related to the protection of human rights. Third point, the High Court hear the appeal filed against the judgment passed by the subordinate court. Fourth point आता है, it can be source for report for all the subordinate court of the state. क्वेश्चन नंबर पॉइंट 5 आता है, it can make the modified general rules for all the subordinate court appeals can be filed in the Supreme Court against the order of the High Court. तो अगर यहाँ पे आप लोग का ये चैप्टर नंबर 17 ओवर होता है. अगर आप लोग को हमारे वीडियो पसंद है इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. और अगर आप लोग को कोई भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए, हम आपको उस चैप्टर का वीडियो प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. मिलते हैं, जय हिंद, जय भारत.